I'll guide you through exactly how to make a game pass in Please Donate so you can start getting Robux donations. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video for more Roblox tips like this. Step 1. Go to the Roblox website. First, quit out of Roblox if it's open. Then go to the Roblox website by opening your browser and heading to create.roblox.com. Step 2. Go to your creations. Once you're logged in, click on Create at the top. On the Creator Hub, look on the left side and click Creations. Then go into My Experiences. You should see your default place or game there. Click on it. Step 3. Find the Passes option. Look on the left menu, scroll down and under Monetization, click Passes. If Roblox changes the layout in the future, just look around for the Passes section. Step 4. Create your game pass. Click Create a Pass. Upload an image if you want, then give your pass a name. Remember, people will see this name when they donate, so make it fun or eye-catching. You can also add a description. When you're ready, click Create Pass at the bottom. Step 5. Put your pass on sale. Your pass is created, but it's not ready yet. Click on the pass you just made. On the left, click Sales. Turn on Item for Sale, then set the price in Robux. For example, if you want donations of 100 Robux, type 100. Just remember, Roblox takes a percentage, so you will earn a bit less. Click Save Changes when you're done. Step 6. Test it in PLS Donate. Go back to Roblox, open PLS Donate and join a server. Claim a stand and you should see your new game pass as a donation button on the stand. And that's it. You've made your game pass. And now people can start donating to you in Please Donate. Don't forget to subscribe for more Roblox tutorials and tips.